Here I have HUAWEI P20 Lite, and let me show you how to enter the download mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and touch power off again. Now let's wait until your phone will be completely switched off. Afterwards, let's prepare the USB-C cable connected to your PC. Here I have such a cable. And now let's start holding together volume down and volume up. Keep holding these two keys and connect your device by using the USB-C cable. Keep holding both keys, volume down and volume up. Now you can release both keys. As you can see, the HUAWEI is trying to install the update. So if you are really installing some update, let's wait. But if you are just want to have access to download mode, you can quit this mode by pressing the power key. Let me show you. Let's keep holding power button. The warning pops up. Keep holding power key. Now the device is restarting and rebooting, so you can disconnect your device. You may also disconnect your HUAWEI from a USB-C cable. And now let's just wait until your device will be ready to use. That's it, the home screen pops up. Now you can use your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.